Hi guys, welcome back to Goa Part 2. If you haven't watched Goa Part 1, please go and watch it. Now let's get started. Now we are entering CANDOLIM beach, you can see. So we are entering the CANDOLIM beach and I will show you all the beaches we visited in this day when we were staying in Goa. Hey guys, we have come to beach. You can see the view is amazing. Out for just chilling. So now we're heading to market. I'll just show you from where you can shop everything if you're staying in Goa, and I'll show you the view how it looks in Goa right now in lockdown. Let's get started. Okay guys, so you can see this is how the Goa looks in lockdown. Shopping or anything you have to buy, you get everything over there. मजा आ रही है आपको गोवा में? बहुत ज़्यादा। हाँ। Enjoy. Okay guys, you can see this is a beautiful sunny day and today we are heading to PALOLEM beach. I'll take you with me. So now let's enjoy the ride. This is the PALOLEM beach I was talking about. You can see. Let's see how it looks from inside. The expectations are really high, but I can't see anything like that. Taking all the safety measures, and we have come here wearing mask also. But as such, Goa is very safe. Show you the beach. It's amazing guys. Guys, this is the view. This is the sunset. View is amazing guys, you can see. This is PALOLEM beach. We have traveled all the way for 2 hours and came here. This beach is must visit when you're coming to Goa. Please look at the view. This is sunset view. and we are really enjoying. Don't. Okay guys, now we have come to Calangute beach. I'll show you how the beach is looking, and you can see everything is closed over here. I will show you the view and everything. Okay guys, let's see. Guys, everything is closed over here. You can just see the view. Everything is closed, you can see. No shops are open over here. Beach is amazing. You can see the sunset. And the beach is also clean because very less people are coming over here. And see, look at the view. Okay guys, so you can see this is the lotus pond I was showing. You can see. Okay guys, so we are heading back to Mumbai, and you can see on the way we enjoyed a lot, and further we have seen so much fog and everything. You will also enjoy with us heading back to Mumbai. Guys, you can see we are on the way to Mumbai, and just see the fog over here. It's Amboli and we are doing a road trip to Mumbai. Guys, you can enjoy the view. Just look at the fog, we can't see anything. Just see the road, we are traveling to Mumbai. See the fog, we can't see anything. Okay guys, bye, take care, stay healthy, and do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button, and please hit that notification bell. Bye guys, take care, stay healthy, and do come here for more such videos.